And for the top.
Mike, thank you for having me here. And you're the best cook. We have wait for the turkey.
Thank you.
Out. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. We got that big bird in the pot coming out and feed our bellies. I'm gonna barehand it.
Alright, let me videotape it.
Okay. You got the video? It's running.
Get the video.
Okay, let me get the hook.
Merry Christmas, all.
Merry Christmas.
We're out here, and it's like 30 degrees. Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
No, snow.
Here's Ralph, my man. Bonner's on the camera.
I just say Merry Christmas in Irish.
Huh?
In Irish.
In Irish.
In
How you
Irish.
say it?
Merry Christmas.
You forgot.
I forgot.
Merry Christmas.
Well, you tell me someone
I'm embarrassed now, but I forgot.
And now we're gonna pull the bird.
No leak.
Okay, I don't want to overdo it. We're pulling the bird.
I could make up something, but it wouldn't be right.
If anybody has anything to say, now's the time to say it.
Just pull the bird. Whoa.
Oh, look at them. Oh, man.
Bird is out.
Bird. The bird is the word.
Bird. The bird is the word.
We're doing some rapping. The bird
Right,
is the word. The bird is the word.
Check out that turkey, huh?
Delish.
Let it drain a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now just to make sure. Okay, just hold it on there. Just stay with me.
All right.
Oh, look at it.
Lord have mercy.
Have you ever seen a bird more perfectly cooked?
Bird is.
Well, let you know.
Oh, get rid of that pan for me. I need that workstation. Take that out.
This one?
Yeah. No. Stop. Okay, no.
What does it take to cook a turkey?
5, 6 of us.
When we used to do the Christmas turkey back when I was a kid, you have to go in the yard and kill the bird,
Here we go.
pluck it, hang it upside down, pull its neck like.
And let it drain.
Disgusting. I shouldn't be told.
Can you go kill the tank? The propane?
Changing the subject. Your dad was just going to tell us how he...
No, I know. Bring the story back with you, man. Oh, look at that. You getting that on video right there?
Yes.
It's a Martha Stewart Christmas in this motherfucker.
Hey. All right.